program number 12 of your course is write a program to convert uppercase alphabets to lowercase alphabets in a given string and vice versa. For example, if a string is hello in capital letters, then we have to convert this into small letters and vice versa. In the sense, if the given string is hello in small letters, we have to convert it into capital letters. Now you're going to understand how does the program is doing the same job. In the program code, with respect to inclusion of the stdio.h and conio.h files, and with respect to the return type of main is void, and with the inclusion of clear screen and get functions, if you have any doubts of why we include all these things, you can refer to program number 1a of my explanation. Come to the program. In this program, we are declaring a string I, str, whose size is 15 characters. Then I'm declaring two variables, len and I. Len stands for length. With the above printf statement, I'm printing enter a string. Now I'm going to read this string with the help of gets function, which is part of the stdio.h header file. This function is going to help me to read the string from the console as an input, and it's going to store the string in the str array. Now the question comes is, why am I using gets function here? Why can't it be scanf function? Yes, very well, I can use scanf function. But the problem with scanf function is that when I'm reading a string with the help of the scanf function, in that case what happens, whenever the user enters a space, for example, hi, how are you? If this kind of string is there, then my scanf will not be able to read the complete string, it just reads hi. The only reason because scanf does not allow the spaces in between. But still there is a solution with scanf to read even space also. But I don't want to make my code more complicated by using this scanf statement when the job can be done easily with the help of the gets function. The job of gets function is to read a complete string even though it involves space in between. For example, hi, how are you? It involves white spaces in between. But still the gets function is going to read. It reads tab spaces as well as white spaces. Then till what range the gets function is going to read? It reads until it encounters the new line character. The moment it encounters a new line character, it converts that new line into /0, means end of the string. And you all know every string terminates with /0. So whatever input the user gives will be read into the str array. For our program, we will just take a simple string, smallest one, for explanation purpose. Say for example, A, B, C. A small screen, A, B, C. Then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to find the length of this string. With the help of strlen function, we are going to find the length of this string. Remember, strlen is a function which is part of the string.h header file. So we have to include that header file also here. #include string string.h. So strlen means string length. This function finds the length of the string. In our case, the string contains A, B and C. So it says length of the string as 3. It returns an integer type of value. So 3 is the length. So my variable len is going to have the value 3. Then with the help of for loop, I'm going to read each and every character one by one, like A, B and C. So I'm going to convert each and every character, if it is into lowercase, to upper, or if it is into uppercase, to lower. So my for loop, where value of I is initialized to 0, then I'm checking the condition I less than n. So here value of I is 0 less than value of length is 3. Remember, since I'm starting the for loop from 0, I'm saying it should get continued until it is less than 3. We don't put equal to sign here, because if I put equal to sign, it will be 0, 1, 2 and 3, means it goes till 4, which is wrong. The string contains only 3 characters, so my for loop should also run only 3 loops. So it starts from 0 till 1 and 2, because there are totally 3 characters. So we begin the value of I from 0, only reason because the index value of an array always starts with 0. So 0 less than 3 condition is true, for loop enters inside, and inside we have an if statement which still goes for checking the condition. In this part it says str of I. When we say str of I, value of I, if I substitute, it is str of 0. Now str of 0, if you take the string array which contains A, B and C, in the string array str of 0 contains A, str of 1 contains B, str of 2 contains C. So in this part str of I, when I said str of 0, it contains A. So instead of A, it goes for taking the ASCII value of A. So right now let's just put the value A. So A greater than equals to A. Yes, A greater than equals to A. How does it finds? Internally it converts the character A into the ASCII value. Now what is the ASCII value of A? The ASCII value of small a is 97, and it goes for checking the condition 97 greater than equal to 97. Yes, the condition is true. Then it is using the logical AND operator which goes for checking the second part. As the first condition is true here, it goes for the second condition. str of I means str of 0, that is once again A here, less than Z. We are writing small z here. The ASCII value of small z is 122. So 122, ASCII value of A is 97. Remember, here also 97 is less than 22, condition becomes true here. So both become true. My if statement comes inside this. Next line. When it says str of 0, means str of 0 equals to str of 0 minus 32. str of 0 contains the first character A. So str of 0 means A minus 32. What is the ASCII value of A? 97. 97 minus 32 is equals to 65. Now what is the equivalent character with the ASCII value 65? So when you check the ASCII value 65, you will get capital A. So we converted the small character A to a uppercase character capital A. Same way, my loop continues, as this is if part and this is else if part. So if has got true, so it will never jump to the other part. Loop continues where the value of I is going to be get incremented. Value of I is now 1. So it goes for checking the condition 1 less than length, which is 3. 1 less than 3, yes, it is true. It comes to the if part once again. When it goes for finding str of I, this time it is str of 1. What does str of 1 contains? It's B. So str of 1 is B greater than equals to A. So B means the ASCII value of B is 98 greater than equals to A. ASCII value of A is 97. Yes, the condition is true. 98 is very well greater than 97. And one more logical condition we are checking. str of I, that's 98, is less than 122. That is the ASCII value of Z. Yes, condition is true. 98 is less than 122. So it goes to the next line of if statement, where it says str of 1 equals to str of 1 minus 32. What is str of 1? str of 1 contains b minus 32. B means the ASCII value 98 minus 32. I will get 66. What is 66? If you check it out in the ASCII value, you will get capital B. Means B is stored in str of 1. Remember, here in str of 0, I have now capital A, and in str of 1, I had got capital B. Continue further. My loop gets incremented where the value of I will become 2 now, 2 less than 3. Same way it goes here, where it goes for checking the condition str of 2. str of 2 contains C. C ASCII value is 99. Yes, it goes for checking the condition once again. 99 is greater than or equal to 97, and 99 is lesser than 122. Once again the condition is true. It goes for doing in the same way, where it says str of 2 is equals to str of 2 minus 32. str of 2 is the character C, whose ASCII value is 99, minus 32 is equals to 67. 67 is an equivalent value, capital C. So in the position of str of 2, I got capital C. Check it out. In the string I was having all small letters, I converted into all capital letters. Small a got become capital A, B become capital B, small c become capital C. Then when the loop continues, where value of I will become 3, 3 less than 3 condition becomes false, it comes out over there. Remember, same way when you give the capital letters here as the input as A, B, C, only thing is every time it jumps to the next half over there, and in that case it just goes for adding up plus 32 over there. So if I have str of 0 as capital A, whose ASCII value is 65, every time it goes for adding 32 value to it. 65 plus 32 will become 97. I will get indirectly small a here. This is how it works, this code. So at the outside of the for loop, we are just printing the value of str. What does str contains? It contains A, capital B, and capital C. So it prints A, B, and C. Yes, I had converted small into capital. Thank you. For any queries or suggestions, please contact the given email ID.